Okay guys, good afternoon. So if you logged in on your 92 proxy, this will be your home page. I don't want to go through the login process again. Just go to 92.com, create an account and log in. That's just it. After you've logged in, this is your home page. So now what you do, you click the three dot icon on the right side, upper left side I mean to say. Then click on residential proxy. When you click on residential proxy, I'm getting messages. You see the total gig or MB that you have. Then I told you before, if you want to buy this, where you click on recharge and then you buy. Una for this group now, they calm down. Una just dey send message up and down. Click on recharge, then you buy. You see the price. I think it's $10 for 5 gig. But if you don't want to buy the $10 zone, you can chat me up. I'll send you a key that you will redeem. If I send you a key for 1 gig, that one is 1 gig for 3k. I will send you a key. Then you click on this redeem key. Then you paste the key I sent to you and click on exchange. You automatically redeem 1 gig to transfer 1 gig from me to you. So if you need it, chat me up. So after you've gotten your residential proxy, I saw somebody that posted that there's a place you can get free proxy online. Well, it's at your own risk. If you're using free proxy, just know that anytime you on your VPN, the proxy is getting all your details from your phone, including your security details. So if you're using free proxy, I don't know if it works or not, but it's on your own risk. If you want to try it, you can try it out. Well, that's it for that. Then when you've gotten your proxy, to create an IP, I saw somebody using US IP address. That's very wrong. You are just risking your account. Pure profiles is just for Australia. So you scroll down for you to create an IP address. On the country, make sure you choose Australia. Make sure you choose Australia. So now this is Australia. On your state, choose a state. Choose a state. Then the city, choose a city. Then you can leave the rest as random. I think the last video I did, I chose random. I left it at random. You can also do the same. You can also leave it at random. You can also leave it as random. But for the first time you are logging in, please use a state. Choose a state in Australia. You can use New South Wales. Please don't go and use New South Wales because I use New South Wales. You can choose any other state in Australia. Choose a random city. Then make sure you on your notepad, because I told you earlier that you need to have a notepad. So on your notepad, make sure that you are storing all these details so that you will not forget them, so you'll be consistent with your, when in case they ask you which city or which state you are from, you should be consistent with your address. I choose city as Badia. ASN is the same thing as ISP, which is like your internet provider, so you can leave it as random. So we have ports. Make sure it's on sticky IP. Then this direction is session setting, is like how long your IP will be on a particular location. So leave it at the maximum 120 minutes. Then on your protocol change it to SOX 5. Then on your quantity change it to 1. Then click on generate. That's all. So when you've generated this, now this IP address, I'm going to revoke it after this class. So if you like, copy it and go and use it. It will not work. So you copy this IP. Now you go to any notepad. Let me use any notepad here. Notepad. So this is a new pad. Paste it. So now on this test, you have your username, IP, your username, password, server, and port. So what you do, if you starting from the end, you will see semicolon. Those semicolon divides the information or your account details. So what you will do, delete the semicolon and differentiate it, separate it. Then you go for the next one, when you see at, delete that at and separate it. Then the next semicolon, delete the semicolon and separate it. So now you have your username, password, server and port. So on this password, you still have to do one more editing. Put your cursor in front of the 2 slashes, then delete it with the sux5h. So this is how it will look like. So now you have to copy this detail to your super proxy. Where you see password, you input your password. Where you see username, input your username. Where you see server, input this as proxy as.proxy5.net. Where you see port, put 6200. So that's all for setting up your proxy. So after you've done that, make sure you change your phone time to Australian time. Make sure you change your phone time to Australian time. Then secondly, make sure, I'm using iPhone here. I'm using iPhone with this video, so it is not, if you're using iPhone, this next part is not needed. But if you're using Android, if you're using Android phone, click on VPN, go to your settings, search for VPN, click on VPN, then make sure that your data is always always through VPN. Like there's an option there. Let me check it on my iPhone quickly, on my Android quickly, so that I know what I'm saying. Let me just check it quickly for you. So under VPN, I'm using Redmi. So under VPN, you will see your proxy app. If you have super proxy on your phone, you will see super proxy there. So what you do, click on the extra option to the super proxy, that is the arrow. I don't know why it is on your phone, but I know that under VPN you will see the VPN apps you have. Then you will see like an arrow at the edge of it. Then when you click it, it will show you always on VPN and block connections without VPN. Once you see that option, click on block connections without VPN. If you do that, whenever your VPN offs without you knowing, your network will stop. So that in case of your VPN off, while you are answering surveys, your traffic will not change from Australia to Nigeria automatically. If it does that, you have lost that survey account. So make sure that your